The Smart PSB2000L Smart PV Safety Box, Safety Box for short, is a key component that implements module monitoring and rapid shutdown for Huawei Smart PV optimizers. This video introduces the installation, wiring, and commissioning of the safety box. Take out the communications terminal of the fitting bag of the inverter. Choose a rubber sleeve to grommet with appropriately sized holes and route the communications cable of the safety box through it. A communications cable includes a pair of RS485 signal wires, a ground wire, and a 12 volts power wire. Connect the communications cable from the safety box to the corresponding socket on the inverter communications terminal. Assemble the communications terminal. Select the installation mode based on the on-site installation environment and cable length. Mark the position of holes for mounting the safety box on the wall and then install it. Connect the output terminal of the safety box to the DC input port on the inverter. If the inverter has an alarm port, connect the communications cable to that port. If the inverter has a USB 4G port, connect the communications cable to the COM port. Ensure the output voltage of PV strings does not exceed 600 volts DC. Connect the input terminal of the safety box to the output port on the optimizer string. Set the DC switch at the bottom of the inverter enclosure to on. Check that the sequence of the LED is slowly blinking green, quickly blinking green. Log in to the Fusion Home app. Access the Operation Console screen and choose Device Maintenance. Add and delete device. Smart PV Safety Box. Tab Auto Search. After the search is complete, manually modify optimizer remarks for easy management and maintenance. Tap No to modify remarks. Tap the optimizers that have been found to modify their remarks. Modify remarks based on the position of optimizers. After modification, tap Submit. On the Manual Config screen, tap Add Optimizer. Enter the optimizer as in manually or scan the QR code. Modify remarks based on the positions of optimizers. Add all optimizers in sequence and then tap Submit to start searching. After the search is complete, tap Yes to enable Rapid Shutdown. To enable Rapid Shutdown, ensure that Optimizer is installed on each PV module. Press the System On/Off button on the safety box. Press the System On and Off button again and wait for inverter to start. On the Operation Console screen, choose Device Maintenance, Upgrade Device. Tap Upgrade for the corresponding optimizer or safety box. Select the upgrade file obtained from the dealer or Huawei technical support and perform the upgrade. If the indicator on the safety box keeps blinking slowly, communication is faulty. Tap COM Config. Tap RS485 setting and set the baud rate of the inverter to 9600.